how to make stroke with point corner in Photoshop. So when I'm write a text and give a stroke, select stroke. As you can see, now corner is rounded. I'm just make it, how can easily set to square. Okay, let's get started. Simply write a text and drag your mouse, press on mouse left side, you get convert to shape. Press on and just select to shape. Okay, so you just select to shape tool, like I'm select rectangle tool, I'm get this option. Press on this middle part color, like I'm set this color and the outside color to select black. Okay, and increase size, press enter. But as you can see, this stroke, go to insert, press on to select this line and press on to align to outside, press enter. So as you can see, now successfully set up this.